I'm Jo Clay. I'm the founder and managing director of Empower Be the Change. So we're a social enterprise set up in May 2016, and we basically empower people to realise their ambitions and potential through accredited training, mentoring and empowering them into whatever they want to do next. So the way we decided the skills people need is to focus on their soft skills, their personal skills. In some ways we found that getting those qualifications and the kind of harder skills are the easier part. But if you can't communicate and express yourself well enough, then it doesn't kind of really matter how much knowledge you have. It's the ability to actually showcase that to other people. So people access our programmes in a variety of ways. We do specific programmes with schools and the university, and then we do programmes with Remploy, the Job Centre and kind of wider community projects. People either self-refer or they're referred by the agencies onto our programmes, but we've pretty much worked with anybody and everybody that we can. Yeah, it seems to be working well. We've taken about 170 odd people through programmes so far. They've all gained a relevant qualification which is highly recognised by employers. They've gained sort of resilient skills and sort of feel better able to self-manage and challenge themselves and make those decisions. We've got great examples of people that would never have thought of going to university now going to university, people that thought they'd never get back into jobs doing jobs that are really passionate and enjoying.